Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tailor with Jenny, and in today's tutorial, I'll be learning how to make this crop top. I paired it with this palazzo pants that I made. This was my last video, so if you're yet to see it, go and see it. This is a pant with so much drama. I saw it as an inspiration from Atuche woman, so I went for it and it came out beautiful on me. As you can see, I'm rocking it so well. So I made a simple crop top for it, and just to make it stand out. So if that's something you're so much interested in watching, do not skip any parts, watch to the end, and let's continue. So the first thing is to get your material. I used 18 inches as my top length. So I'm marking the neck width and the neck depth. I used 3 by 3 because it's a round neck and that's the way I want it. So you can go with what you want. I used 3 by 3 and you're going to connect with a straight ruler. So the next thing is to mark your shoulder measurement plus your sleeve length. So my shoulder measurement is 7 inches. The rest will be for my sleeve length. I came down by 2 inches for the shoulder slope at the end of the sleeve length. I'm going to connect it straight to the neck width. So that is it for the shoulder, and I'm going to go ahead to mark my armhole depth, which will be my round sleeve measurement as well. So yeah, as you're marking it, you can include your join allowance to it, or you can mark and later on add your join allowance to it. So I did not mark join allowance here. I included it to my markings. So that's what you're going to mark. You mark your bust measurement. I measured my bust measurement plus 2 inches. That's how free I want mine to be. Even though I'll be shaping it with half an inch. So it's now kind of 1.5 inches. So that's what you're going to mark. As free as you want it. You want it not that free, fine for you. So from the sleeve length, I gave it a curve down because I'm not going to shape anything. Now to the neck, I am giving it my round neck measurement. Sorry, my round neck shape, just like I want it. Then I'm going to come down by 4 inches. I came down by 5, I realized that it would be so deep, so I went up by 1 inch, making it 4 inches. So that is it for the front. As you can see, it's very, very easy and simple to cut. So I added half an inch allowance on the shoulder for joining over there. For the back, I came down by 1 inch for the back neck depth, and every other thing is the same. So I'll go ahead and arrange it very well and cut. Please bear with me for the changes of my camera. I'm so sorry about that. So after everything, you go ahead and cut the facing for both the front and the back. I lost the clip for this one. I didn't even know where it went to. So please, I am so sorry. So after that, you join with half an inch. You turn it around with half an inch. Then join the shoulder with half an inch as well. Right sides facing each other, the front and the back. Then you go ahead, please go ahead and use your hemming gun to hold the facing to the fabric so that it doesn't come out rough. So this is for my sleeve. I'm going to use it to turn up the sleeve like that. So placing it at that side, I'm going to join with half an inch. And after joining it with half an inch, this is what you have. I'm going to flip it over to the right part of my top. So flip it over like that. Top stitch on it at first, then flip it over. You're going to stitch on that area to hold it down. Make sure your iron place so that it will lay flat. I'm going to use my pin to hold it down. Hold the other places down. and you're going to join the sides of this top with half an inch allowance. So after that, I'm going to join it together, right sides facing each other. Join with half an inch and hem the length of it, and everything is perfect. So this is a very short tutorial, and I hope it was helpful. Let's see my next video. Bye bye.